In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Salesforce. By the end, you'll be signed in and looking at your dashboard with confidence, and you'll know a few simple tips to make the process smoother every time. First, open your preferred web browser and go directly to salesforce.com by typing it into the address bar. Going straight to the site helps you avoid lookalike links from search results. Once the page loads, take a quick glance at the address to make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure. Next, look to the top right corner and click Login. You'll see an option labeled Salesforce. Click that. If your organization uses the standard Salesforce login, this is the one you want. The page will take you to the familiar sign-in screen. Now, enter your username and password. Your username is typically sent to your email when you first created your Salesforce account, so if you're unsure what it is, check the welcome message you received at that time. As you type, watch for common issues like accidental spaces or caps lock being on, since both the username and password fields can be case sensitive. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it fill the fields for accuracy and speed. If you prefer, you can click Login with Email to sign in using the email address you set up with your account. This can be a convenient choice if you always remember the email, but not the specific username format. Either way, make sure you're entering information that matches what you registered with. After you submit your details, you'll be redirected to your Salesforce dashboard. This is your home base where you can access your apps, recent items, and key data. Depending on your setup, you might see the Lightning Experience interface with a navigation bar across the top. Take a moment to confirm you've landed in the correct environment for your work. If your organization has multiple environments, you'll typically see the correct one reflected in the header or app menu once you're in. And that's it. You've logged into Salesforce through your browser, starting from the main site, selecting the Salesforce login option, entering your credentials or using your email, and arriving at your dashboard. Keep your login details secure, use a trusted browser, and you'll be ready to get to work anytime. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time in Salesforce.